Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour through Cross Roads in Jamaica. So we are on Tom Redcombe Road. Straight ahead is the head office for King Alarm, and we're going to go on to Marasca Road and head down to National Heroes Circle. So we're actually going on to Caledonia Road now. And then we're going to go on to Marasca Road now. So Marasca Road is probably the most popular for this institution, which is the National Water Commission. That's their head office over there. And then coming up on the right now is the Michael University College. I'm always amazed at the name. Oh, you can see the sign from here. There it is, the Michael University College. You don't really see much institutions with the name university and college in it. In the name, the same name. Alright, so coming up on the left now, this is where Water Commission property ends. It's a massive property, prime real estate. On the left is Woolmore's Girls' School. On the left and the right, they actually operate on both sides of the road. Very, very prestigious school in Jamaica. That's a school that the Olympic champion Shelley Ann Fraser-Pryce went to. So we are now on National Heroes Circle. It's the Ministry of Finance on the left, and they actually use this facility on the right for parking, but that's National Heroes Park. And then straight ahead is the Ministry of Education. And then on the left now is the Ministry of Labor and Social Security. On the left is a very popular food area. Sell a lot of crab over there, and fish also, but it's mostly known for crab. And wow, there you can see some really nice crab. So on the right is National Heroes Circle. Alright, so we're going to head down to Slipe Road now, go up Slipe Road and show you the Cross Roads bus park, police station and post office, that area. So this is now Slipe Road. Straight ahead you can see a crane. That must be the One Belmont building. And there's actually a building that's going to be built that's 3 times the height of that building that you're looking at. And the ascent is going to be 27 floors. So can you imagine the view of the ascent from here? Alright, so this is now the heart of Cross Roads, or the main part of Cross Roads. So on the left now is a Carib Theatre, very popular and historic movie theatre in Jamaica. Yeah, that is the One Belmont building, where you see the crane. So on the right is Singer, and we just passed Courts on the left. Those are furniture stores, very popular furniture stores in Jamaica. And on the right, where you see that red awning looking thing, that's Scotiabank, but they closed that branch. It only operates the ATMs now. And then beside it is NCB, and yep, NCB is closed as well. They only operate the ATMs. Wow. I guess times have changed, but there was a time these were very busy branches. Okay, so this is the Cross Roads bus park straight ahead, and that's Carib over there. We're just going to show you the police station and then come back around. This is the police station here. That's a market straight ahead, and then we're back out by the bus park now. Alright guys, that's the post office straight ahead. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.